I've been running my entire YouTube channel through Claude Code for a while. Not just the video scripts, the whole pipeline. Figuring out what to record, researching the topic, generating titles and thumbnails, writing the hook, building the slide deck, uploading the right metadata, A/B testing titles, analyzing what worked, and feeding that back into the next video. Every stage has a workflow. All of it runs from my terminal. I'm going to walk you through the 7 stages and show you what Claude Code does at each one. If you make YouTube videos and if you're doing most of this manually, you don't have to. Let me show you. Here's the pipeline. 7 stages. Every video goes through all of them. Strategy, ideate, produce, publish, measure, and learn. And then it loops back to the strategy. The last arrow is the whole point. Every video teaches the system something. I'm going to show you what Claude Code does at each stage. Let's start at the beginning. Stage 1, strategy. This is where it starts. My Claude.md file, the system prompt Claude reads every session. It knows my channel, what works and what doesn't. Like topic videos without a specific tool get 11 views on my channel. And tool launch videos with a $0 angle gets 200 plus watch hours. That's not a guess. That's from my actual performance data. Production rules, title formulas, hook structures, all in one file. When I start a session and ask what to record, Claude doesn't brainstorm randomly. It ranks everything against my proven formula. It's like having a producer who knows your channel from a different angle and is tracking everything about it. Stage number 2 is ideate. Once I have a topic, I research it. Is anyone else covering this already? What are people searching for? What are they asking in the comments on similar videos? I have a workflow that pulls the last 30 days of discussion across YouTube, Reddit, X, Hacker News, and the web, and synthesize it all. I also screenshot YouTube search results from my topic and paste them in Claude Code, and Claude analyzes packaging, color, text, framing, and I check for first mover windows. What tool just launched and has 0 tutorials on YouTube? That's when I record. Stage number 3 is produce. This is the longest stage. Before I hit record, I need packaging, titles, thumbnails, hooks, scripts. For titles, Claude generates 10 plus options and scores each one on 6 dimensions. Immediate hook, measurable outcome, personal element, audience clarity, curiosity, and urgency. I picked the top 3 for A/B testing. Thumbnails get a design brief, not an image. Focal point, emotion, text, size. Scripts use my hook framework for the first 30 seconds. And slide decks, like this one, get generated with one command. Every video gets a project folder with every artifact. Nothing gets recorded until packaging is done. Stage number 4 is publish. When the video is edited, Claude generates a metadata template. Title, description with CTAs and timestamp, tags, pinned comment, thumbnail file name, all in one file I copy-paste into YouTube Studio. After upload, I cross-post to LinkedIn, Twitter, and relevant places on the web. Claude writes these posts, match to each platform's voice. Stage number 5 is measuring. That's where the most creators stop. They publish and move on, but I don't. I A/B test titles on videos that have plateaued. Through the YouTube API, swap the variant A, measure 48 hours, swap to B, measure, apply the winner. I also pull my full corpus, every video's transcript, every comment, every description, structured as YAML files Claude can search, so I can ask, what are commenters asking for that I haven't covered? The answers come from data, not guesses. Stage number 6 is learn. Every session I log what I did, what worked, what did not. The daily log has a permanent section at the top. What's working versus what's not. And Claude reads it every time. If I had recorded a video that flopped, the reason is logged. And Claude won't let me repeat the mistake. My learnings file has findings from real performance data. The system gets smarter over time. Not because I'm smarter, because the data accumulates and the system reads it. Stage number 7 is the loop. Learnings from stage 6 update the strategy in stage 1. The system prompt gets better, title formulas get refined, thumbnail analysis gets deeper. Every video I make teaches the system something. The system makes the next video better and production faster. This video you're watching right now went through this exact pipeline. The title came from the title formula, the hook came from a hook framework, the description was generated, and the thumbnail brief was also generated. Here's the thing. I showed you my setup, but it took me months to build. The system prompt alone is hundreds of lines. The learnings are from dozens of videos. If you're a creator trying to get monetized, or you're already monetized and want to grow faster, you don't need to build all of this from scratch. We build briefly. You upload your YouTube Analytics CSV, and we run agentic flows on it. Not a quick summary, an actual deep report. What's working, what's not, what to make next, hooks, titles, thumbnail directions, all grounded in your real data. Then we keep going. Our founding focused group gets follow-up reports as new data comes in. So the insights compound instead of going stale. And because this space is moving fast, we also share updates on new Claude flows and skills as we build them. So you're not just getting a report, you're plugged in to the pipeline. We're working with a small group of founding creators right now, free while we're building it. Link is in the description, briefly.givingback.ai. Subscribe for more of these videos, and I'm happy to walk you through my Claude Code process in depth if I get enough interest in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.